when he emptied the compost bin into a wheelbarrow because it was full of an ant's nest. So all I've been doing is giving them the glacious earth, is it called? So I've been putting layer compost and then that, and as you can actually look, you might be able to see them running around everywhere. The thing is, they're running through the eraceous earth. That'll then basically get all over the skins and eventually will kill them because it'll just wear away the joints. But what I'll do now is I'll take it deeper in. As you can see here, I'm actually emptying it still, but I've been sprinkling it on as I go along. So I'm going to empty it out of there into this one temporary because I've built my basic framework for here now. That's the basic framework. Just made it out of some leftover decking that I had. Well, tell I recycled from my brother when he ripped his decking up. Waste not, want not. So that's going to be framework, and that's going to go along the edge over there. Just got to empty the rest of that then. And I'm going to fill it up with bark. And then what I'll do then is I'll actually put some more quad grows, the base of them, I'll put them on top. I don't want to really put soil on there because I don't really want to be growing outside. But we'll leave these here, I can actually move them then. Oh, back garden looks like a building site. As you can see there now, I've got that, I've just given a coat of stain. And I've actually started to clear all this area. There's not a lot of compost there, so I might actually just put that back in. But I'm just going to put a load of this, I think it's called eraceous earth, in when I put it all in. But the actual board is going to sit where the flags are there. It's just going to sit against it, so that back end will just be flags. And then hopefully it'll come up to here. Hindsight, I should have measured up to this flag here, really, shouldn't I? And made it the same size. But it'll be fine. But look at all the ants, look. And that's frameworking. I've got this soil left over, so I don't know whether to put the soil in there and make it into a border for plants. Decisions. Or do just fill it up with wood chip and use it as the quad grows in there to sit outside. Well, line it with cardboard. Well, didn't line it up with cardboard at the bottom so the grass coming through. And then fill it with bark. Right, with these quad rows you get a filter, a seal, the joining bar, you put wash in there, seal, and the filter. So what this actually does is, they go through together and they join. So what I need to do is, I will need to screw these together. So let me put it on pause for a second. So as you can see now, that's the actual filter. Let's put this washer on there. Joins in the middle there. And same on the other side. These two now will actually, once this one fills, that one will fill up as well, depending whether it's fully level or not. And you can put a bung in these because they have a little miniature hole at the front here if it overflows. Right, that's them in. Just need to put the lids on. Now, I've had to unscrew them because it was in. I've had some on the outside to try to give me some more room. So I measured this for 8 foot, but I didn't realise that those tubes are too far apart. So what I might do is next year I might blank them off, just as individual tanks. They don't actually do a bung for them, believe it or not, which is a bit stupid ideally. There's the actual covers. It's simply a case of put them on. Working system sits on there. Back in a minute. Right, all the covers are back on. All the covers are on, not back on. I've just put them on. They have little slots so you can actually fill them up. We also have these here at the front for the bamboos. Now little caps that sit in there, I'll go and get one. Little caps sit in, literally a case of, put them on. Don't know why I did that, because I have to take them off now to put the wicks in. Right, that's them all on top. Not exactly perfect level, but it'll do. One left on the caps off, and you can actually see now the wicking systems inside in the water. And literally just put that on to stop sunlight getting in, or things falling in there. Right, got cucumber. We've got a chocolate cherry tomato, Roma tomato, mini cucumber, they don't need staking up by the way. Crimson crush, I think it's crimson crush, remember them seeds got mixed up by mistake. Bread tonic, a green envy, and an alicante. I've still got not a lot in there. I think I went a bit behind me this year. There you go, folks. Maybe not the straightest, may not be the best, but it'll do until I get it all done next year correctly. Because I didn't want to put those straight onto grass. Because if you're trimming, I know it's hardened plastic, but I don't want to risk actually breaking that. Right, thanks for watching. See you all again. Bye bye.